So in this next ratio question, we have to find a missing share when you've been given the ratio and one piece of information. So we've got Dave and Becky's heights, which are in the ratio of 5:4, and the extra information is we've got Dave, who's 120 centimetres tall. How tall is Becky? Well, we know the first thing we need to do is pop the initials in, which is D for Dave, and we need to put a B in to represent Becky. I also know that I've got Dave mentioned first, and the number 5 in the ratio is the first number, so that matches with Dave. So I put the 5 in, and the 4 corresponds with Becky. Now I also know that it says Dave is already 120 centimetres tall. We know that information about him, so we're going to pop that under D for Dave because that information relates to Dave. So now this question is plain sailing. How did I get to 120 from 5? What did I do to 5 to get to 120? If your multiplication and division facts are really good, that's going to help you. Your mental maths does need to be very good with this question and all of these types of questions. If it's not, let's unpick it a little bit. How many 5s in 100? Well, we know that there are 20 5s in 100, so we hold the number 20 in our head. How many 5s in 20? We know there are 4. So now we know that to get from 5 to 120, we've multiplied by 24. Now this part of the question makes it very easy to find the height of Becky. What do we do to 4? We do the same thing. We know that we need to multiply 4 by 24 to get Becky's height. 4 times 24 is 96. 96 is our answer because we're working in the ratio of 5:4. If Dave is 120 centimetres, Becky is 96 centimetres.